Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is based on a challenge that I saw on Nikkie Tutorials YouTube channel where you basically let Google pick your makeup look. You type in the first letter of your first name, first letter of your last name, and then the word look. Whatever image comes up is what you need to do for your makeup inspiration. So that is why I look like an 80s retro mess. I wouldn't wear this on the usual. This is a little bit much. Okay, but if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to like the video as well. Also, hit that notification button so you can be reminded when I post new videos each week. And also subscribe if you haven't already. All right, you guys, let's get into the video. Let's see how I created this hot mess of a look. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so let's get started with this Google challenge. So basically the way that this works is you type in the initial of your first and last name, so MB, and then the word look after it, and whatever image pops up is the image that you're supposed to get your inspiration from. So this is the pic that I need to get my inspiration from, and I'm kind of getting a little bit of 80s retro vibes. Obviously there's some teal in there, some blue, a little bit of orange, so we're just gonna go with it and just kind of wing it today. All right, so for the eye, I think I'm gonna use that orange shade in the picture as like a transition shade. So I'm gonna use the Dream Street palette and pick up this kind of, it's almost like a sherbet orange, dust that along the crease area. And we're just gonna, you know, we're gonna just see how this goes. I am like so mother hot today. I feel like my entire body is sweating. I don't know what is going on with me, but I am like so uncomfortable. I just wanna almost sit in like an ice bath because this body is on fuego. All right, so then for the colors, there's kind of this like greenish teal shade, which I'm thinking I can use like one of these shades. And then it looks like there is a little bit of light blue in there. So we do have this shade that I have been wanting to use. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this stiff brush, it's a small tapered blending brush by Luxie, and I'm gonna just dip into, I think, Waterbear. It is gonna be probably a little messy, so bear with me. I'm just gonna pop that onto the corner here. And then just really try to buff it out, blend it kind of. And I think I'll do a halo look for this because I'm kind of getting that vibe with the three of the same images, how that's kind of this retro look. I love like challenges like this because I feel like it really makes me kind of think outside of the box and just do crazy looks that I would never ever wear. I think for me, a lot of the times like the inspiration that I get for certain looks is like how I'm feeling that day. Like, am I feeling a little bit edgy? What am I gonna wear? You know, kind of all ties in together. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that to the inner corner as well. I'm just gonna use this Morphe B83. I think I'm definitely gonna have to wash this off before the gym. All right, so I think I'm gonna use this like light blue shade. It's this Stila Liquid Shimmer Shadow, but look at this. It's like almost this holographic blue. So I think I'm gonna pop that right on the center of the lid. All right, so we have a good start here. I'm going to kind of intensify the blue with this shade here. It's almost like an iridescent silver. It's called Mermaid, or no, it's called Kaleidoscope, and I'm gonna use my finger for that. It's just this like pretty silver. I'm gonna pop that over the top. Yes. In that brush I used earlier with that kind of teal shade, I'm just gonna buff the edges together so it kind of blends. So I do want to deepen up the kind of like the orangish color. So I'm gonna go into this more burnt orange shade. I'm just on a fluffy Morphe M433 brush. I'm gonna lightly add that to the crease. Just to kind of intensify here. All right, so let's take a look at this picture again here. I think what I'll do is on my lower lash line, I'm going to use this teal eyeliner by NYX called Aqua Green. And I'm just gonna pop that into my lower lash line here. All right, so this face needs some foundation. I'm gonna use this Peach Perfect Comfort Matte foundation today in the color Sand. And then I'm gonna use my ColourPop concealer in the shade Light 2. And I'm just going to highlight the face and the under eye area. This concealer is the bomb, but it does oxidize. It dries pretty quick too, so. But it does have like really good coverage. All right, you guys, and then I am going to set the under eye with some Laura Mercier powder. It's the loose setting powder with just a fluffy Luxie brush, and I'm just gonna dust that. And now I'm gonna take this brush, it's a Luxie 239 brush with kind of like a tapered edge, and just taking that teal shade that I used earlier, I'm just gonna kind of smoke out the bottom lash line a little bit. We're just gonna look real 80s today. Some people actually might wear this look. For me, not so much. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer to the inner corner, some of that like silver shade I used earlier. And all right, let's add a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to go into this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And just with a fluffy Morphe M527 brush. Just gonna give the face a little bit of color. All right, and then since I'm kind of going with that 80s vibe, I'm gonna give the cheeks some like bright AF pink. It's the Chrissy Teigen and Becca palette, and this shade right here is like super bright if you want it to be, so that's what we're doing. And then to stick with that like silvery vibe that was in the picture, I am going to add a little bit of highlighter to this ColourPop one because it's kind of more on the champagne side. And just applying that with my finger. Down the nose. Let's add just a touch more highlighter. I'm going to use this Fuego highlighter by Dose of Colors. And I'm going to set the face and then apply mascara and lashes off camera. So here we go. Little Fix Plus. All right, and I applied my mascara off camera. I'm not going to do lashes today. I think that might be a little bit much. So I did want to stick with the 80s vibe. So I decided to do kind of a bright coral orange lip. So I'm going to use this Dose of Colors Hot Fire liquid lipstick, and let's just see how this turns out. All right, you guys, there you have it. What do you guys think of this? I think it's a little bit much. I kind of look like I'm going to attend a rave. Maybe as a mermaid, not quite sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was fun creating this look. You guys should try this challenge. It is hilarious. Even if you guys don't do the challenge, just look it up just to see what it would be. It's pretty hilarious. All right, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video if you thought it was entertaining. Also, don't forget to click that notification button so you can be informed when I post new videos, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Love you.